Cousin just caught this giant
so
yellow perch. It's actually a really big yellow perch.
It's smaller than the other one I got, but it wasn't yellow.
The other one was a chub.
Yeah, obviously.
This is like a 13-inch pound. Oh crap! It fell.
Bro, what is my luck, bro?
Connor can't reach the fish. Alright, well he fell on the ground, but he'll be good. Holy crap. We're looking at your phone, and my pole just bent straight over. What is it? I don't know. I think it's another chub. Oh.
Yeah, I think so.
Big chub.
Big chub.
Caught it.
That's literally the same thing I got. I think mine's about, well, I think almost the same size as that one. So it's both that size.
Nice, another chub.
Or even bigger. And just your...
He drops it in. This is like, he doesn't fish very much.
Oh.
This is like your first time fishing in 3 years.
It is. Literally.
You tighten your drag. Yeah, there you go. There you go.
Oh.
There you go.
It's annoying.
The old Zepco getting it done. Tighten the drag.
Again?
Just keep going.
Can you hold this for me so I can grab the line real quick?
Hey, grab the line, pull it out. Is it a chub?
I don't know.
I can't reel this back in. My bad.
It's a little one.
You got a chub.
You're gonna... The chub? Again?
Alright, let's bring it over here.
Yeah, I'll take it.
I'll see the fish.
Okay, here you go.
Let me see.
Okay, take it.
Alright.
I gotta untangle this line so I cannot reel it.
Alright.
Let's measure
No,
it.
we're not gonna measure. Is this your first time ever holding a fish?
No.
Alright, well.
I've dissected a fish. Can I, let me cover it? I don't know where to hold it.
Just, you can hold it by its side too. It don't matter. Now hold it by its mouth and then hold it like a bass. Alright, just toss it in. Toss it in. Make sure you get it out there some so it's in deeper water. That was so vicious. That was so vicious.
You only hit it right under your line.
Yeah, it was deep. Look, Look. I'm trying to show the camera. Right there, that's all shallow water.
Yeah.
But where you throw it over there, it's deep, so it...
Okay, bye, I'm going back to my other spot.
So it didn't
I'm
get...
gonna catch it again. He's still there. Dude, you didn't even eat the bait. He was still...
Yeah, you were like, what? What? I saw your pole bouncing. I heard it. This ain't big. This ain't big. It's not as big as the last one.
Oh.
We can measure this one.
You got the...
I mean, weigh it.
Can you hold the pole real quick so I can get the line?
Wait, it's almost up. It's okay. It's right here.
I can feel it. It's like moving everywhere, bro.
I can
It's everywhere.
I can see it.
Oh,
through
it's
the
right
wood.
there.
Yeah, no, pull it in.
It was like moving everywhere. It's like dangling.
It's a small one.
I can see.
Everything looks so much smaller on camera. This is probably like a 10-inch fish, and it looks like a 4-inch fish.
I don't like. I think I can keep the same stupid
Look at this.
worm. I like petting them. I don't like holding them.
You have to hold. Look at this sucker dig.
Let me see it. What is it?
It's a bigger one. You tiny drag. It's another chub.
How many chubs?
Gotta grab that quick.
At least they're right there. Oh,
Riley, watch out.
you got this one? You hold the pole so I can...
Yeah, I'll hold the pole. Tighten the drag. You can reel it all the way up.
You want to hold this for me? No.
Yeah, I'll hold it for you.
Stupid. I gotta chill. What's right here? It's like it's a little one. Look how big it is. It's a wide one. It's like wiggle, wiggle, wiggle.
Hold the fish.
You know how many times I've like one time I was just reeling in the line because they were coming under. I caught a fish out of that. How many fish have you caught? 2. You've gotten me and Lance got 6. Lance gotten 6. I gotten 5. So it's 11. That's stuff.
I had to cut that time. I don't know. It's running.
That's pretty big. It's a pretty big one. It's like a big. It's pretty big. I can see it. From my angle, it looks really big.
Holy, this is a giant chub.
That's
It
literally.
didn't feel like a chub. It was like fighting really good.
So that's the same size as what I got.
Yeah.
What do you think? Do you think that one's bigger than one I got?
This one's
Ray, what one's better? Ray, is that one bigger than the one I got? The tub I got?
Yeah, a little bit longer.
Yeah, see, that's what I mean. Like that was better. I caught something, but I didn't even care.
showing it to the camera. It's a big one. That's.
Whoa, I thought you're kidding.
Oh God, you scared the living heck out of me.
That one was. It had
I
smack
almost
sound.
did I think, oh, I bet you.
And then we got a little fish. Not that big.
Can they hear us talking?
It looks like a little chub. Little chubby chub. What a fishing pole. Oh, that's actually pretty big. I think that's the one you caught earlier too.
Hold up.
There you go. I caught chub chub. There's a little chub. You can see right.
Hey, it's blind. The car coming.
There's another one.
I'm gonna fast that farther.
Crap out of him.
Yeah, he told me I couldn't throw it there, and he was like, oh, Max, he thought I couldn't throw it over there to where his spot was, and I did.
You still couldn't.
When? Oh, you just started recording that.
Yeah.
Didn't even get the. It didn't even.
I turned it on when it first started. How was he hooked in a? Oh. Another one. He fell in the dirt. Get him back quick. That was a perfect spiral.
Backwards spiral.
I didn't even mean to do that. I just tossed him back and he went straight at football.